Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you about a concern or a question that we're getting asked pretty frequently right now. And the question is, why do a lot of yards, or why does your lawn, look kind of bad right now? Why isn't it really thriving and growing like it normally does this time of year? I mean, we're almost to May, and yet a lot of yards look like this one, look a lot like this one does, where it's kind of patchy. There's spots that are growing well. There's other spots that aren't growing at all, and then you have everything in between. And these people are doing the right things. They did the fertilizer application, the spring pre-emergent, watering properly, mowing, and yet the yards still kind of look like this. And the answer to that question is the weather is the one thing you can't control, and soil temperatures are what determine when your grass comes out of dormancy and when it goes back into dormancy. And for warm season grasses like St. Augustine or Bermuda, that threshold is 60 to 65 degrees, the soil temperature. Outside temperatures are going to be higher than that, but the soil temperature is going to be 60 to 65 degrees. Well, just in the last 5 days, the average soil temperature has been 61 degrees, and that's it, which is crazy for this time of year. And so a lot of yards like this one are just kind of in limbo. They don't really know what to do. They don't know whether to come out of dormancy, whether to stay in dormancy, and this is what you get. This has been a crazy spring. We've had huge fluctuations in temperatures just in the last 2 weeks. We've had days that are up in the 80s, where it's felt like summer almost, and then the very next day or next couple of days, it's back down into the 30s at night. Daytime temperatures in the 40s, and so the result of that is lawns that just don't look all that great. So just be patient with it. Just hang in there, and even next week temperatures are going to be continue to rise, and they're going to be here to stay. Those higher temperatures, and lawns are going to start thriving again and are really growing and looking like they're supposed to this time of year. So if you have any questions about that, let us know. We'll be glad to answer them and help you any way we can. Thanks.